Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to Bullet Engine. Guys, from today we will start the classes in English because the basics of Illustrator has been covered in Urdu. So let's start the video today. In today's video, we will draw some kind of mesh illustrator. So let's start it. Let's take the rectangle, press the shift key. It switch to outline mode. Select this, go to object, split into. I want 12 number of rows, 12 columns. Better one, two. The more you will increase the rows, will show you. Click on OK. Now I will go to effects, Distort. I will make Pucker and Bloat. Will make it to. If you will increase it, it will review you how the things are. Bring it to 100. Okay. Now if you will show you like this kind of a pattern. Now we can this around. Now I will draw some basic shapes and adjust this on those shapes. First thing I will do white color. I will draw 90. And to adjust in the center of your. You can lock it because we need to drag mouse on. It will be easy for us to select, lock this selection. Now I will go to first I will drag lip. $300. I will make white. Then I will make polygon. Make it 300. It will be big. Take to 90°, 90°, and tip stop. Now what I will do, I will press shift and R. make this kind. Now what I will do, I will select all these selections. First to select. Click on object. In the envelope distort, click on make with top of. Now same rule goes for the second one. Object, make with top of. This one, select, development. Now you can see the pattern design. You can even change the color of the, for example, if this I go to half, I will select half this. Similarly, I will go to this section. Like this, you can change the color. One. So like this, you can create these kind of patterns in different kind of shapes. And that's for today's video. Hope you will enjoy this. Keep watching our videos, subscribe to the channel. Have a good day. Thank you.